What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up Brother L2380DW printer and download or install scanner. So first of all, open browser and search here printer. Now click on official website. Now here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver and here you can download your printer driver. Now here you can see my printer driver will be downloaded. Now here you can install your printer driver. After install your printer driver, then go back and open settings and click on printer and scanners. Now click on add device and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.